What is the meaning of the word smash? As an adverb. With a loud crash. Examples of use. The car went smash through the fence. As a noun. A serious collision, especially of motor vehicles. As a verb. Hit hard. Break into pieces as by striking or knocking over. Hit violently. Hit a tennis ball in a powerful overhead stroke. Collide or strike violently and suddenly. Overthrow or destroy something considered evil or harmful. Break suddenly into pieces as from a violent blow. Examples of use. He smashed a 3-run homer. Smash a plate. She smashed her car against the guardrail. Smash is spelled S-M-A-S-H. Smash.